Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra today going to continue with Standard 7, Chapter 6 of Computer. More on Python. इस चैप्टर में हमने पिछले क्लास में चर्चा किया है कि ऑपरेटर्स क्या है. ऑपरेटर आर द सिंबल दैट परफॉर्म अरिथमेटिकल एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेशन एंड ऑपरेंट ऑन ऑपरेंड एंड प्रोवाइड ए मीनिंगफुल रिजल्ट्स. And operators need one or more operand to perform any operation. A valid combination of both operands and operator make a expression which returns a complete result. Type of operator in the Python: arithmetical operator. Arithmetical operators में unary operator, binary operators, string operators, and assignment operator, रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर, लॉजिकल एंड बुलियन ऑपरेटर्स, ऑपरेटर प्रेसिडेंस. अब इसमें क्या होता है कि प्रेसिडेंस ऑफ एन ऑपरेटर टेल द कंपाइलर एंड द ऑर्डर इन विच द ऑपरेटर शुड बी इवेल्युएट. मतलब किस काम को हमको पहले किया जाए. हायर प्रेसिडेंस ऑपरेटर आर ऑपरेटेड बिफोर द लोअर प्रेसिडेंस ऑपरेटर्स. तो अच्छा, उसी में यहाँ एक एलॉगरिथम भी है जिसको आपने पिछले क्लास में भी पढ़ा है. एन एलॉगरिथम इज ए वेल डिफाइंड स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीजर टू सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम. इट हेल्प अस टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड इट्स सॉल्यूशन इन ए बेटर वे. फ्लो चार्ट इज ए पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द फ्लो ऑफ स्टेप्स टू सॉल्व एनी प्रॉब्लम. Type of control structure: sequential structure, conditional statement, sequential statement, conditional statement, iterative statement, and conditional statement में if statement and if else statement, if else statement. So these are the various statements. Now once recapping of this chapter is operators are the symbol that perform the arithmetical and the logical operation on the operands and provide a meaningful results. Arithmetical operators are used to perform mathematical operations. Strings operator work on the strings. The concatenation operator used to join two strings and is represented by the plus sign, while duplications operator used to repeat the printing of a strings a specified number of times and is represented by the plus sign. Assignment operator: plus is used to assign the value of an expression to a variable. Relation operator are used to complete the value of expression. Logical operators work on the statement to set the relation between them. The order in which the operators are evaluated is called precedence of operators. An algorithm is a well-defined step-by-step procedure to solve any problem. A flow chart is the pictorial representation of the flow of steps to solve a problem. In programming language, conditional statement cause the program control to transfer to a specific location depending on the outcome of the condition expression. The if statement used when we have to evaluate only one condition. The if-else control structure used when either the two different actions are to be performed depending upon the results of the conditional expression. The if-else statement provides the compact way to perform multiple tests on a condition. So these are the recapping of these chapters. Now fill in the blanks. The order in which operator are evaluated is the called precedence of operators. The valid combination of both operand and operator make an expression which returns a computed result. Plus operator used to concatenate to join two or more strings. In Python, the flow of execution is altered by the use of control statement. The if-else control structure used when either of the two different actions to be performed depending upon the results of the conditional expression. In Python, conditional statement is terminated with a colon symbol. Now true false: an operator does not need any operands to perform any operation is the false. Unary operator can be used on more than 3 operands is the false. Exponential operator used to calculate the power of the number is the true. Higher precedence operator are operated before lower precedence operator is the true. If else statement are used when we have evaluated only one condition in the false. Iterative statement enable the execution of the set of statement to repeat till the condition is the true. Now MCQ. Value on which the operator work are known as the operands. Float division is the same as the divisions is the false, in which construct the statement in the program are executed in a sequential manner followed by one after another with the no possibility of the branching off to another action is the sequential. Which statement among the following enable to execution of the statement to repeat till the condition is the true? Iterative statement. If the conditional expression, the condition evaluate to false, then the statement will be executed first. Elif. Name of the following 2 type of arithmetic is the unary and the binary. 3 type of the logical operator and or not. 2 operators used in strings in the concatenation and the replication. The statement which is used to evaluate only one condition if the procedure to write a step of the program in well-defined way is a logarithm. So these are the chapter 6. Next day I will continue with chapter 7, introduction of HTML. Thank you.